So you got a rainwater barrel and now you want to know, how do I keep the mosquitoes out? I have a very simple solution for you and it costs no more than $10. Not only does it keep out mosquitoes, but it also keeps out debris from going inside of your rainwater barrel, and it's this mesh net. It also has a drawstring to make it easy to tighten over any of the type of rainwater barrels that you could possibly get or have. You just put it over the barrel to cover up any exposed holes, and you will not only prevent the mosquitoes from going in, but also debris. So if you're interested in getting yourself a mesh net, check out the link in my bio under a DIY rainwater barrel, where not only you can find the mesh net, but also material that you need in order to build your very own rainwater barrel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.